Hey guys, today we're going to be going over Leetcode problem 1374, which is generate a string with characters that have odd counts. And in this problem, we are given an int n, and we need to return a string where every character that appears in the string appears an odd number of times. N is guaranteed to be between 1 and 500 inclusive. And it's important to note that we can return any of the many strings that meet this criteria. Let's take a look at a quick example before we talk about our solution. If n is 4, PPPZ is a valid solution because P appears 3 times and Z appears once. We could also return something like ABCD, where each character appears once. What we will do for our approach is build up a string entirely of one letter. If n is odd, we are good to just return that string. If n is even, we will need to change a single letter to be different. We will be using x and y. If n is 5, our result will be xxxxx. If n is 4, our result will be yxxx. In terms of our implementation, we will be using a string builder to build up the string. We will then need an int count and a while loop to build up the contents of the string builder. We will continue the loop while count is less than n. If n is even and count is 0, we will append a y. Otherwise, we will append an x. We will also make sure we increment count for each iteration of the while loop. When we break the while loop, we will return stringbuilder.toString. We go ahead and click submit, and we see that our submission was successful. Our time complexity for our solution to this problem will be O of n because we have one single loop that is based on the size of the input n. And that will do it for today's video, so be sure to like and subscribe for more, and comment down below which problem I should do next.